Okay, so the AI chord generating app that you guys have heard me talk about called Songen has this crazy feature that allows you to collaborate with a friend using FaceTime. I decided to hit the homie Larry O up and test it out.
Yo.
What's going on, twin?
What up?
What do you think about this feature? I mean, we haven't got into it, but what do you think about the idea of production happening like this in the future?
I think it's dope, man. I think it's a good way, especially if you can't link up in person with an app like this. Especially during the pandemic, I've seen a couple companies like try things out like this. Things like this are going to be fire.
Downloaded Songen, made a FaceTime call. Both users launched Songen, which we did, and then users join a share play session, which comes on the screen. I actually see that right here. So I'm going to click on that.
Start session, it says, right?
Yeah.
So I guess it just like can tell that we're both just on a call together.
So I'm going to go ahead and start this session. Oh, wow. We're here. Larry, how do we session before meet in person? We've done business. I've you know what I'm saying? We talk life. I've never met you in actual real life. And here we are now in a session. That's amazing.
Let's go to a different genre, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do trap. You pick the trap genre, and then maybe we can download the stems and mess with the stems a little bit.
I think that's
inside FL.
How you feeling about this one?
I kind of like this one.
Okay. Oh, there we go. We changed the key here. Something about this melody sounds like Scarface. Right now, I'm in the pattern mode, and I'm determining what I want to change. Do I want to change the lead, the chords, the bass, the drums?
What we could do is mute the drums, and then we can export all the melody in MIDI and in audio samples.
I like that idea. Can you export it from where you're at?
Yep, I got it. I'll just do a quick little flip-a-rooney.
Okay.
And then maybe send you the audio stems.
Oh, yeah. That's it right there. Okay, Songen.
It almost sounds good on both.
Yeah. Ooh. That's nice.
Yeah.
So after Larry finished chopping up the audio from Songen, he sent it over to me to add some drums. All right, well, let me go ahead and cook up on this one, Larry, and then I'll be right back at you.
I'm gonna try to block the sun. Look at this.
Nah, you got that TikTok glow on you right now. You got that filter.
Bro, it's
on
like
you.
I'm on a filter. Like a TikTok filter.
It's blinding you. All right, for sure. I'm gonna cook.
You blind me.
You're blind. Time to hit up Larry.
Yo.
All right, I'm done, man.
Let's hear it.
It's producers always say it's a little rough, man. Just
not mixed yet.
It's not mixed.
That's hard, bro.
That being said, Larry, man, what do you think about this Songen collab feature, man? What's your initial thoughts on it? It's my first time using it.
I think that mixed with what we did today is awesome. I think the way I've used Songen was to generate some ideas sample wise, right? Because maybe you're in a rut, maybe you're just you want to switch the vibe up. That's the way that I've been using it. So I think in this situation, especially with us, we're on two different sides of the country, we can work together we're in one session. I think it's fire.
I would even say this would be even dope for artists, I feel like, that have ideas. Maybe they have a hook and they're like, okay, let me try to figure out just some of the bones of it. Look for something that sounds close enough within Songen, send it off to your producer. They got stems to work with now that are all built around you doing that. You can literally produce a full beat around an artist who utilizes it.
Bro.
So as you guys can see, Songen is definitely allowing you to collaborate with whoever that you please from wherever they are in the world. If you want to get more information, make sure that you go to the description down below in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace.